Hey people, it's Shushi. For this video, I prepared some phrases that you can use in social situations when you are visiting Armenia. I've already made videos for self-introductions, for polite expressions, and for the greeting, so make sure you watch them before you actually get to this video. Street shopping is a popular thing in Armenia. That is why my first expressions are to help you to handle the situations when you are in street markets or in shops. So the first one is inch arje. How much does it cost? Inch arje. So you can ask this question in shops and you actually don't need to know the numbers to really understand the answer. Usually the shop assistants, like the sellers, will use their fingers to help you understand the answer. But for the sake of learning, let's have a dialogue just for you to understand how to handle this kind of situations. So you go to store and you ask, Barev says, inch arje? Hello, how much does it cost? And then they answer, Barev says, 3000 dram, 3000 drams, and then you say, thank you, շնորհակալություն. If you are buying in touristic places, in touristic markets, I will highly recommend you to do a little of bargain. And to do this, you can, when you ask the price and when you are not satisfied with the price, you can say, Շատ թանկ է, it's very expensive, շատ թանկ է, and then you can ask them to lower the price, and that will be գինը գիչեցնեք, will you lower the price, գինը, the price, գիչեցնեք, will you lower it? And then they might say yes, and then they can give you a better price. So let's again have a short dialogue. Barev says, Հացն ինչ արժե? What's the price of the bread? Հացն ինչ արժե? And then they answer, Barev says, Հացն արժե 3000 դրամ, and then you say, Վայ, շատ թանկ է, գինը գիչեցնեք, will you lower the price? And they might say, Այո, 300 դրամ, 300 drams. Next, I want you to know the word կարելի է, which is an Armenian equivalent of the word may I, and you can use this to ask for a shopping bag, to ask for the menu, or to ask for the bill. So I can say toprak կարելի է, toprak is bag, so when you go to stores you ask toprak կարելի է, may I have a bag? Or when you go to the restaurants you say menu կարելի է, may I have the menu? And when it's time to pay, you can say հաշիվը կարելի է, hashivă, the bill, կարելի է, may I have the bill? As we get to restaurants, let me teach you how to say that you want to pay with card. So to do that, you can say քարտով եմ վճարում, I'm paying with card. Yes, քարտով եմ վճարում. And if you enjoyed your meal in a restaurant and you want to say that it was really tasty, you can say շատ համով էր. It was very tasty. Շատ համով էր, հաշիվը կարելի է, may I have the bill? Then they will tell you the bill, you'll pay, and it will be over. These were the phrases that I have prepared for this video, and let's have a quick summary. So first of all, you say inch arje when you want to ask for the price. When you want to bargain, you say շատ թանկ է, գինը գիչեցնեք. Next, we learned the word կարելի է. You can ask Toprak կարելի է, may I have a bag? Հաշիվը կարելի է, may I have the bill? Or menu կարելի է, which mean may I have the menu? When you are done, you want to say the food was really tasty, ուտելիքը շատ համով էր, և քարտով եմ վճարում, I'm paying with card. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are interested in having lessons with me, you can go and check my website and book your free trial lesson. So bye bye and see you soon. I really hope you will use these words in real life very soon. Hաջողություն.